What's up, gang? Welcome back to another amazing video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this over animation. Well, I'm using a Nike shoe because it's looking cool, so you can use it in any animation, in any product. It could be in food, other clothing, branding and the like. So without much further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so welcome back. Now the first thing I will need to do is, once you are done with your design, next thing you need to do is to have a copy of your shoe or whatever products you want to animate like that. Yeah, so this is the first thing I'm going to do. And the second thing I would like to do is to give it a little shadow. So I'm going to use my lips tool here, just like this. Yeah, this color is just perfect. Then I come down to my design and come to effects, give it effects and use layer blur. So I increase my layer blur. Okay, let me increase the color to something like this. I think this is just perfect. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to select both of them, create it as a frame. So I'm going to frame selection. So the next thing I need to do is to adjust the frame, give it a little bit headroom because I want the shoe to over up, right? So either hold the command or hold the control and adjust the frame a little bit higher. Like this is just perfect, right? So the next thing you do is to duplicate this frame, right? Ctrl D to duplicate this frame. Then we have a frame 3. And the next thing is for you to use your arrow button to take this up. Yes, I think this height is just okay, not going out of my frame. Yes, and reduce my shadow. So I'll hold the shift and adjust my shadow, and I'll centralize this like so. Centralize it like this. Reduce the shadow again a little. This should just be fine. So the idea is, when it's coming closer, the light casting from above makes it have more shadow, and when it's going higher, the light from above makes the shadow lesser. So that's just the idea, right? So I'll select both of them. I'll select both frames, come down to my component section and create component sets. Alright, so once I create component set, so this is already a variant and this we also have another variant. So the next thing we now need to do is to prototype. Then click on your prototype and click on the first image, right? And you drag your prototype to the next one. So on your settings, you're going to use after delay, and the time you're going to leave the time as 800 milliseconds. 800 is just fine for me. Then I come to the property and jump into smart animate and ease out to make it 2400. But you can change the settings, it depends on how you want it, right? So we're going to use ease in and out. That's just fine. So it's ease in and it's ease out. So we'll come to the second variant and we link it back to the first, right? So the idea is, when it to go up, once it gets up, it comes back down also. So we change it to after delay. Then from after delay, 800 milliseconds, 2400 is just perfect. So it's the same thing. And once we're done with that, we cannot click any of these. So I'm going to hold my Alt and take out this component. Then I can use it to replace what I have here. So let me delete this and I place this inside just the way I want it to be. So once I'm done with this, the next thing I need to just do is now play my prototype, and there you have it. Alright, to see more amazing animation videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more animation like this, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to do you that video. Till I come away next time, I remain Akela Samuel. Bye for now.